In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Vidiq subscription on mobile. First, open the vidIQ app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet network and that the app is updated to the latest version so everything looks and works as expected. If you don't see the icon, double check your installed apps or your app store to confirm you have the official vidIQ app. Next, enter the email and password you use for your vidIQ account. Type carefully to avoid typos and keep your login information private. If you're not sure about your password, use the Forgot Password option so you can reset it securely. Once your details are in, tap Log In. Give the app a moment to authenticate. On slower connections, this can take a few seconds. After you're signed in, look for the menu bar, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a profile icon. It's typically at the top corner of the screen. Tap it to open the sidebar or settings area. From there, select Upgrade. Depending on your version, this may also appear as Upgrade Account, Upgrade to Pro, or similar wording. If you don't see it right away, scroll within the menu or check the account area. Now, choose your plan. You'll usually see options such as monthly and annual billing, along with a breakdown of features included in each tier. Take a moment to compare what's offered, things like advanced keyword tools, competitor tracking, or more frequent video ideas. Select the plan that suits your workflow and budget. If there's a free trial or introductory pricing, review the terms so you know when billing starts and what the renewal cost will be. Tap. Continue to move to the checkout screen. This will prepare your purchase using your device's app store. When you're ready, tap Subscribe. Your phone may prompt you to confirm the purchase with your app store password, a passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. Ensure your payment method is up to date to avoid any errors. Once confirmed, wait for the success message. This can take a moment while your subscription is activated. After the purchase, your upgraded features should unlock automatically. If they don't appear immediately, try closing and reopening the app or pulling down to refresh. You'll also receive a confirmation from your app store with billing details. To manage or cancel your subscription in the future, use your device's subscription settings in the App Store. That's it. You've upgraded your vidIQ account on mobile. Enjoy the new tools and remember to keep your login details secure and your app updated for the best experience.